The consideration of this micro video looks to explore the question, are OS modular manufacturers' choice of play in the OS housing market sector structured to grow the market as a mutually beneficial strategy to the housing stock solution, or inclined to be the apex predator within the tidal pools they endure? Most of us have played cards at some point, and for simplicity we can use this metaphor as we explore the choice of how we use the same deck in a different play. The pillars of any commercial enterprise are represented within each of the four suits. OS modular manufacturers, when entering the market, generally appear to be engaged as solitary players as a default position. Possible causes covered in a micro video entitled Affordable Housing and the Invisible Hand. It appears akin to solitaire. To win, you must exhaust all 52 cards as a single standard measure of attainment. The competitive nature is insular, driven to be the best independent player in the market. The consideration is, does this route to market offer a sustainable position of OS modular manufacturers, or can we use the same cards to create a more compelling and robust mutual platform where self-interest, social interest and national interest coexist? We can place under the microscope of just one suit, that of process engineering, evading the other functional drivers, assets, resources, financial, although some are represented within the process engineered solutions. All four are integrated throughout the value chain in the delivery of OS EMBS engineered manufactured building stock. We can further eliminate several of the lower impacting engineered processes by focusing on those that allow OS manufacturers to impact the market more effectively. If we focus on re-engineering of just four core process changes, accepting the ace and the king are related to the same prime function, although they impact the invested and applied interest very differently. The ace is focused on a proactive product-based solution as an invested asset, the king adopting the contents of the SPPS, syndicated proactive product solution, to liberate the OS market value chain no more than the queen representing the OS manufacturer's interest. The jack demonstrates the route to market for contributing entities based on proactive product solution to project. The 10 is the platform that facilitates a synthetic hand, enabling the checks and balances that are required to provide effective affordable housing, together with incorporating of such sustainable initiatives as wastewater management, on-off grid technologies, amongst others. The impact of these 5 processes will send ripples in the OS modular market. In part 2, we will consider the rudiments of how each of these functions operate, with part 3 demonstrating how they impact the OS housing market.